Good morning, Standard 10 students. So yesterday I explained you the section formula. Right. So what is the x coordinate of the section formula? How you find x is equal to mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n. Where a coordinate is x1 by 1, b coordinate is x2 by 2, and the p is a point. Divide the ab in the ratio m is to n. Similarly, y coordinate m by 2 plus n by 1 by m plus n. And when P is the midpoint, then the coordinate of x is x1 plus x2 by 2, and coordinate of y is y1 plus y2 by 2. And on this I have solved some two or three questions yesterday. Now one more formula, centroid coordinate. How to find? First of all, you must know what is centroid. See, ABC is a triangle. Right. AD is the median. Median. It means it will bisect the side PC. B is the median. Then this B bisect this side. A is equal to AC. And CF is another median. Right. Then it will bisect this side. AB means AF is equal to BF. So AD, BE and CF is the median, and all the median of a triangle meet at a point. Let's say BG. This point is known as centroid, and this coordinate we have to find. What is the coordinate of this centroid? You follow? Once again, let ABC is a triangle. AD is the median. Then what is the property of the median? Median bisects the side. So BD will be equal to BC. Another median through the vertex B. So B is another median through the vertex B. So E will be the midpoint of AC. Another median through the vertex C, CF. Then F will be the midpoint of AB. Then the meeting point of the median, point of intersection of the median, is known as centroid. This coordinate we have to find, is it? And one more property, the centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So this centroid divide this median AD in the ratio 2:1. This centroid also divide the median B in the ratio 2:1. And this centroid also divide the median CF in the ratio 2:1. Right? Let the coordinate of A is x1, y1. Coordinate of B is x2, y2. And coordinate of C is x3, y3. Right? Coordinate of A, x1, y1. Coordinate of B, x2, y2. Coordinate of C, x3, y3. Now, let the coordinate of G is xy. This coordinate we have to find. Let the coordinate of G is xy. Clear? This we have to find. Now see here. D is the midpoint of BC. So by midpoint section formula, what is the coordinate of G? So say the midpoint section formula, what is the formula? Sum of the two coordinate divided by 2. So here it is x2 plus x3 divided by 2. x2 plus x3 divided by 2. For y coordinate, y2 plus y3 divided by 2. So this is the coordinate of D. Right? Now see here, AD is the median. G we have supposed the coordinate xy, which value we have to find. D coordinate, sum of these two, x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Okay? Now also we know the property of the centroid. Centroid divide the median in the ratio 2:1. So AG is 2 and GD is 1 part. So in This part you can understand by drawing this diagram. A x1 y1, G divide in the ratio 2:1, and D coordinate x2 plus x3 by 2, y2 plus y3 by 2. Is it okay? Now, in place of m there is 2, in place of n there is 1. M is to n ratio divided by n is to n ratio. Here it is not m is to n, it is 2:1. So how to find the coordinate of G centroid xy? X coordinate will be cross, you have to multiply cross 2 into x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1 into x1. 1 plus x1 divided by sum of the ratio 2 plus 1. These two will be cancelled. What is left? Left x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 2 plus 1, 3. This will give the x coordinate of the centroid. Now, for y coordinate, y 2 into y2 plus y3 by 2 plus 1 into y1 by sum of the ratio 2 plus 1. So y, these two will be cancelled. y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. This is y. So, what is the coordinate of the centroid? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. X coordinate. What is y coordinate? y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. When this question comes to find the centroid of the triangle, use directly formula. Don't derive it. Use directly the formula and put the value and find out the centroid. Let's see here. A, B, C. This coordinate 1, 2. I am taking from, not from the book, by own I am taking. B, 0, minus 3. C, 4 and 6. Then find the coordinate of the centroid. Hey, this is AD, this is B, and this is CF. This coordinate we have to find. Let it coordinate be XY. So this is question. Now in place of x1, y1, x2, y2, the value is given. So we will use the form directly. Right. So to find x coordinate, what is the formula? x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3. Right. So x1 is 1. Plus x2 is 0, plus x3 is 4 by 3, means this is 5 by 3. Y coordinate, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. y1 is 2, y3 is minus 3 plus 6 by 3. So 2 minus 3 minus 1 plus 5 means this is 5 by 3. So what is the coordinate? Coordinate is x coordinate 5 by 3 and minus 5 by 3. This is the coordinate of the centroid. Right. So to find the centroid, I have not derived it like the formula. We use the result directly and put the given value, and we are able to find out the value of the centroid. Right. So when question will come based on the centroid one, if all the three vertices triangle coordinate are given, put this value directly in the formula and find out the centroid of the given triangle. Do you follow this one? So in next video I will explain you or will solve some problem related to this chapter. Thank you very much.